The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for eastern Guernsey County in east-central Ohio, northwestern Monroe County in east-central Ohio, southwestern Belmont County in east-central Ohio, northeastern Noble County in east-central Ohio, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Byesville, or near Cambridge, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado in ping-pong ball-size hail source. Radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of eastern Guernsey, northwestern Monroe, southwestern Belmont and northeastern Noble counties, including the following locations: Miltonsburg, Lore City, Jerusalem, Batesville, Wilson, Quaker City, Somerton, Fairview, Salt Fork State Park, and Bealsville. Precautionary/preparedness actions: take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the NWS Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at @Pittsburgh. & tornado. Radar indicated max hail size 1.50 in. Beep, 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 beep.